If you want to quickly see the top-rated games on itch.io, this video will walk you through it step by step. This is a super simple way to discover popular games, hidden indie gems, and some of the highest-rated titles on the platform without wasting time searching manually. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the itch.io website in your browser. You can do this by typing itch.io into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the homepage loads, take a look at the top menu. You'll see different browsing options across the site, and this is where you can start exploring games by category. Click on Browser from the top menu. This will take you to the browsing section, where itch.io lets you filter and explore content in different ways. On the browser page, you'll now want to find the top-rated option. Click Top Rated, and itch.io will sort the games so you can see the ones with the best ratings first. This is useful if you want to find the most recommended games on the platform quickly, whether you're looking for something fun to play, research inspiration, or just want to explore what's trending with the community. Once the top-rated list loads, you can scroll through the games and open any title that catches your eye. You can also use this same section later to compare different games and see which ones are getting the strongest feedback from players. So, just to recap, open itch.io, click Browser from the top menu, and then click Top Rated. That's all it takes to view the highest-rated games on itch.io. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy guides, and I'll see you in the next one.